Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be showing you how to make delicious and easy strawberry chocolate chip muffins like a pro. You can hardly wait until strawberry season, which is the best time of the year. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and turn on that notification bell for more baking videos like this. I bet that we'll have everyone in your household begging for more muffins, so let's get baking. First, let's gather all the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of granulated sugar, but you can use brown sugar as well, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of chopped fresh strawberries, 1.5 cup of chocolate chips, 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, melted. You can use room temperature butter as well. We recommend adding applesauce to our recipe so that the muffins can be super healthy. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. First, you need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt until incorporated for about 2 minutes. Sift the dry ingredients. You can use an electric mixer if you like. Add the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract into another mixing bowl and stir well. You can use any non-dairy milk that you can find at your local grocery store, but it comes with a price. Next, add the egg and mix until it becomes frothy. You can also use room temperature eggs if desired. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture and stir until just combined. You can use a spatula or wooden spoon. Add the chopped strawberries and chocolate chips to the batter and stir until everything is evenly distributed. As we make those tough muffins, be careful not to overmix the batter. You can either use fresh or frozen strawberries, but if you choose frozen, you don't need to thaw them out. For the chocolate chips, you can use milk chocolate or dark chocolate. It's your choice. Line the muffin tin with paper liners and scoop the batter into every cup until it's about 3/4 full. Use oil or cooking spray on every muffin cup to prevent the muffins from sticking. This tin makes 10 to 12 muffins, but if there's not enough batter, you can use 10 of them. If you want, you can sprinkle the remaining chocolate chips and chopped strawberries on top. Bake the muffins in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the muffin comes out clean. Remove the muffins from the oven and let them cool in the muffin tin for 5 minutes before transferring them onto a wire rack to cool completely. Look at all these muffins. They're filled with juicy strawberries and chocolatey chunks of chocolate chips. Enjoy your delicious homemade strawberry chocolate chip muffins. See how these strawberries are melted on the inside? These muffins are perfect for breakfast, as a snack, or even as a dessert. The moist and fluffy muffins are the perfect accompaniment to the delectable combination of sweet strawberries and chocolate chips. You can serve them with coffee or tea. We hope you enjoy this recipe and give it a try at home. Don't forget to share your creations with us on social media and tag us so we can see them. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the following video. Happy baking!